Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my go-to makeup, which I've been um, wearing for almost maybe 6 or 7 months now. And this is the makeup look that I usually do. My lip color might change, but otherwise this is the base that I would follow, and this is how pretty much I would look if I'm going for any of my events. Maybe I'll have a different hairstyle, maybe I'll have a bindi if I'm wearing a traditional dress. Otherwise the makeup remains the same in spite of the lip color might change. So yeah, without any further ado, let me just get started with the makeup. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of my future videos, and like this video if you did. Thank you so much guys, that is it for my go-to makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit on the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.